Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another repair vlog from Electropixels. In today's video, we're repairing a 32-inch LG LED TV that has a very interesting panel-related fault. As you can see, the TV powers on, but the display is completely washed out with a white shaded screen and a slight bluish tint. Although on-screen labels such as HDMI and AV are visible, the image is unstable, lacks proper graphics, and no clear picture is produced. This symptom typically indicates a panel voltage failure, specifically related to the gate drive circuit. To begin the diagnosis, we checked the panel scaler board using our Fluke 101 digital multimeter. During the voltage measurements, we found that the Vgh voltage was completely absent, while all the other critical panel voltages, including VGL, AVDD, and VCOM, were present and within their normal operating range. This confirmed that the scaler board was functioning correctly and that the fault originated inside the LCD panel, most likely due to an internal short or an open circuit in the VGH line. Since replacing the LCD panel is expensive and often uneconomical, we decided to demonstrate an alternative repair technique. For this repair, we used an old LG T-Con board as an external VGH voltage generator. By supplying the T-Con board with 12 volts and ground from the TV's original scaler board, the onboard DC-DC converter generated a stable VGH output. Next, we carefully connected a jumper wire from the VGH test point on the donor T-Con board directly to the VGH test point on the faulty panel, effectively bypassing the damaged internal VGH circuit. After verifying all the connections and ensuring the voltage levels were correct, we powered on the television for the final test. As you can see, the LG logo appears immediately, followed by a clear, bright, and stable picture. The display is now functioning normally, confirming that the external VGH bypass has successfully restored the missing gate voltage and brought the panel back to life. It's important to note that this is a practical repair technique, and not a permanent panel repair. Since the original fault exists inside the LCD panel, the only permanent solution is panel replacement. However, in many cases, this bypass method can significantly extend the life of the television and provide customers with a cost-effective alternative to replacing the entire display. If you found this repair informative and learned something new, please support Electropixels by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be the first to watch our latest LED TV repair tutorials and advanced troubleshooting videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next repair video. Have a wonderful day, ***.